Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Miss Lakshmi, Maths Tutor from SSB Crack Exams, here to continue with the solutions of question number 11 to 20, which were part of CDS 1 2020 exam in the Maths section. As mentioned, we are solving questions from Set B paper. So before we continue, let me mention you that there are all the best online courses provided by our SSB Crack Exams for all the defense aspirants like AFCAT, CDS, NDA, CDS OTA, Territorial Army, INET and many more. You can know all the courses insights and all the quality content, PDFs, study material, the quizzes, practice set papers we are providing just by visiting our website www.ssbcrackexams.com. They're running a promo code Warrior10 which you can use to get an extra 10% off on all the courses you buy. You can follow us on YouTube SSB Crack Exams. You can visit our Instagram page SSB Crack Exams. You can also visit our website learn.ssbcrackexams.com. Enroll for free, go through the free lectures and accordingly buy the online course to get the full preparation package for your defense written examination. We are available in Google Play Store with the app name SSB Crack Exams. So you can search with the name, find an app, download it and enroll for free lectures and buy the course. Don't wait anymore. Let's go with the very next question now. CDS 1 2020 question number 11. In this question, what is the area of the largest square plate cut from a circular disc of radius 1 unit was asked. So basically यहाँ ये जो largest square तुम्हें imagine करना था ये clearly हो जाता with the diagonal length is equals to diameter of the circle. Because when you say largest square, it can be only described and it can be inscribed within a circle with the diagonal of the square is equals to diameter. So जो diameter था circle का वो था diagonal for square. तो if you assume that the radius of the circle is r, then hence diagonal का length हो जाता 2r, right? Moreover, you also know that how to find the length of the diagonal in the square. If you assume the length of the sides of square to be x each, so you can see that you know this d square, diagonal square is equals to x square plus x square, जो कि हो जाता 2x square is equals to d square, that would be x square is equals to d square by 2. Right? Now the value of d was clearly known with the help of the radius of the circle. तो area of the circle find करने के लिए, area of the square यहाँ पे find करने के लिए you would have used this important relationship equation which relate the side of the square with the length of the diagonal. So ये x square का जो length है यहाँ पे d square, d था 2r, तो accordingly you get that as 2r upon this 2r square upon 2, which would be 4r square upon 2, which would be 2r square. So x square is equal to था 2r square. But it was given that ये जो circle था, circular disc with a unit radius r equals to 1, means this r was given to be 1, right? So hence x square is equals to, what did you get the answer? 2, that's it. And what was x square? X square is the square of the side of the square and that is only the area of the square. Hence indirectly you would have got the answer for area of the square which is equals to 2 square unit. So option D था ये question का. Next question जो कि concept based question था. You must know the important fact about the 3 unit circles. Right now here they mentioned that there were 4 identical balls of radius r. 3 balls are placed on a plane such that each ball touches the other 2 balls. Like you can see here, I have drawn a diagram for you. These are 3 identical circles, right? They are touching. You have to assume these are balls, right? They are touching and you can see that there forms an equilateral triangle. And there was a 4th ball to be imagined over there which is placed on them such that this ball touches all the 3 balls. What is the distance of the center of the ball then? So that here you have to imagine that circle passing through the 3 vertices of the triangle which is formed by connecting the 3 centers of 3 intersecting circle. I mean they are 3 touching circles, we cannot say intersecting because they are meeting exactly at the one point. So ये clearly result based question था और इसका option था D, जो आप को फैक्ट से पता चल जाता कि एरिया ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल जो होती है, देन यू कैन इजीली फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ दैट ट्रायंगल फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स, द पॉइंट विच वुड बी द फोर्थ बॉल सेंटर, राइट. सो हेंस इसका था ऑप्शन डी, जो कि कंसेप्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था. Next question, moving on, the next question which was based on finding the area of the quadrilateral, but quadrilateral is given with all its length of sides AD, DC, CA equals to 20 units. So we name the quadrilateral, say ABCD is a given quadrilateral with the length AD which is 20, length DC which is 20, length CA which is the actually diagonal of the quadrilateral which is also given to be 20. Means ये जो triangle ADC था, here you getting it know that it's an equilateral triangle, right? And area of equilateral triangle is known to you, it's √3/4 side square. तो वो फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करके area of ADC मिल जाता. Then accordingly जो remaining part of the quadrilateral है ABC triangle, उसकी एरिया पता करने के लिए you know that the triangle ABC is 90 degree. So ये जो triangle number 1 जो मैंने नंबर दिया ये था ट्रायंगल which is considered to be right triangle, और उसका एरिया पता करने के लिए you must know the length of perpendicular side. So in the question it was not given the length of perpendicular side AB, but it was known in the question the length BC 12. So या तो आप साइड AB पता कर लेते using Pythagoras theorem, right? Then you would have got easily the area of triangle ABC, add this area to ADC to get the area of the quadrilateral. So we would first of all here find out the area of ADC जो है according to formula √3/4 side square, side is 20, right, for this triangle. So 20 square, this is gonna give you 200 √3 as its answer, that is the area of the equilateral triangle. Then जो अभी remaining triangle है वो right triangle था, जिसकी area आपको मिलेगी first of all finding with the help of Pythagoras theorem the length AB. So length AB if you find out with the Pythagoras theorem, you gonna get that length to 16 centimeter, जो कि area of ABC easy से calculate करके देगा. So area of ABC would have calculated with this height and base. Base you would have considered AB 16 and the height 12. Then this answer gonna give you 96. So adding this 200 √3 plus 96 would have give you the answer. And see here √3 is not a part of the option, so you must substitute the value of √3 which is around 1.732, right? So if you substitute that, you get approximate value which would be equals to 269 square units. Actually it would be beyond, but the decimal would be so small to consider, so approximate answer hence being asked in the question is the option A. Then next question based on the mensuration 2D concept, to determine the ratio of area of shaded region to that of unshaded region. But in the question the given claims were very clear that PQRS was the diameter of the circle, and that too its length was known. So this total length was known to you, it's 9 centimeter. Moreover, it's added in the question that PQ, QR and RS are equal length. Means आपको यहाँ पे इमेजिन करना था 9 को 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते. देयर इज ओनली वन वे, राइट? 3 सेंटीमीटर 3 सेंटीमीटर 3 सेंटीमीटर. So means this giving you an idea about the radii of the semicircular region which you require to calculate their areas, right? So यहाँ पे तुम्हें एक ही चीज की पता होनी चाहिए थी, ये जो शेडेड रीजन है इसका एरिया कैसे पता कर सकते हैं और जो अनशेडेड रीजन है इसका एरिया कैसे पता कर सकते हैं. देन यू कैन गो फॉर फाइंडिंग रेशियो. नाउ ये जो शेडेड रीजन दिया गया है विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सेमी सर्कल PS फ्रॉम विच यू आर रिमूविंग द सेमी सर्कल QS to get its required area. So area of shaded SH I would write here, it has to be the area of semicircle PS by the formula of area of semicircle pi r square by 2. What would be the radius of this semicircle? Total diameter था 9 तो radius हो जाएगी 4.5. So ये था pi by 2 4.5 square area of the सेमीसर्कल PS. इसमें से सबट्रैक्ट करना था आपको एरिया ऑफ द सेमीसर्कल QS जिसकी रेडियस है 3 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स पाई बाई 2 3 स्क्वायर, जो कि आपको आंसर पाई बाई 2 टाइम्स, जो कि कॉमन है टर्म इसमें, और इसका आंसर आता 11.25. That is the area of shaded region. Similarly, you would have calculated area of non-shaded region, jiska area exactly by adding this two area you would have got, right? Because the non-shaded region is the area of semicircle PS which was congruent to the upper part, right? So इसका area same था pi by 2 4.5 square, जिसमें आपको add करना था another non-shaded region which was again a semicircle with the radius 3. So in this you needed to add pi by 2 3 square, and this calculation gonna give you pi by 2 which is a common term, then 29.25. Now being asked in the question what's the ratio of these two area number 1 and the area number 2. Check, if you take the ratio, this term pi by 2 get cancelled and you need to divide 11.25. So जो answer था by calculation of 11.25 upon 29.25 would have got easily, and the answer first fraction you get it as 15 by 39, which you can further reduce by 35 and 3133 to get the required ratio, option B for this question. Next question. In this question, given annual income of X, which is 20% mentioned, more than that of the person Y, and the income of Y is less than that of X by P%. What is the value of P? If you imagine, this question concept clearly matches with the important rule of percentage. You have the shortcut trick to tackle this kind of question. Let me recall, there is a trick when A is given certain percent more than the another person quantity, say B, right? Then obviously B would be another person less. Like for example, if I say A is X% more than B, then B would be lesser than A. By what percent? For that we have a formula, B is equals to 100x upon 100 plus x. This straightforward formula, this formula was easily applicable in this format, and here already they given that the y is less than that of x by p%, means ये जो b का जो less than उनका जो part था इसका value already पता था question में p. So simply you needed to equate that p is equals to 100x. What is this x? The mentioned quantity. How much percent it was more with respect to the second? 20%. So 100 into 20 upon 100 plus 20 जो है 120, right? So 21, 26, so 100 by 6. जो आंसर है इसका आपका मिक्स फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा 16 2 by 3. So option was B for this question. Next question. What is the least perfect square which is divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7? Which was the question number 17 in set B of CDS 1 2020. ये question को आंसर करने के लिए you first need to have LCM of the given numbers. So आपको सबसे पहले ये क्वेश्चन के लिए LCM फाइंड करना था, LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you find with the traditional method of finding LCM, you would have got the LCM 420. Now from this LCM you needed to extract the least perfect square. Means आपको यही नंबर 420 को least perfect square में convert करना था with the help of the factor. If you see the factorization of 420, right? If you factorize the 420, you're gonna have 420 equivalent to 3 into 2 square into 5 into 7. Now in this, to be this expression perfect square, as you could see, you needed to adjust there, multiply by 3, multiply by 5 and multiply by 7. Means ये 420 को perfect square में convert करने के लिए you needed to multiply 420 by 3, 5 and 7, and that would have given your answer, that is option C, 44,100. So hence question number 17 का answer था C option. Next question. In a water tank there are two outlets. It takes 20 minutes to empty the tank if both the outlets are open. So in this first sentence, first statement of the question, you needed to understand that the work done by outlet pipe is to empty a tank, and that's clearly given by both the pipes together. So यहाँ पे already question में x plus y का combined work दिया गया था, it was taking 20 minutes. So x plus y takes 20 minutes to complete a task, means 1 minute में what part of the tank is getting filled is 1/20th part by x plus y. Now out of this combined work, in further part of the question mentioned that first outlet is open and tank is emptied in 30 minutes. If only one pipe is working for the emptying a tank, then the time was 30 minutes taken. Means assume कर लो अगर out of x and y में one pipe, suppose x pipe मैंने consider किया, तो इसका time जो period था rate of working, it was like 1/30. Why? Because 30 minutes taken to empty a tank means in 1 minute it will empty 1/30th part. Now the unknown was the time taken by the other pipe. Here as per our consideration it's a pipe Y, right? So the question was what is the time taken to empty the tank by second outlet. तो ये क्वेश्चन स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड रिजल्ट पे भी बेस्ड था. सिंपल आपको सबट्रैक्ट करना था 130 फ्रॉम 120 टू गेट द आंसर. सो हेंस ये y का वर्क हम ले सकते हैं 1/small y, राइट, 1 मिनट का. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ वर्क फॉर अ मिनट, राइट. द वर्क इज टू एम्प्टी अ टैंक. सो यहाँ पे 1/y का वैल्यू आपको आएगा 1/20 माइनस 1/30 बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 10/600 which will give 1/60. So 1/60 1 minute का work means 60 minutes it will take for the pipe Y to empty a tank, and hence answer था ये question का option D. Next question देखते हैं, question number 19. Given that x square minus 1 is a factor of the biquadratic polynomial, check the degree. Degree दिया था 4. So ये biquadratic polynomial था. Moreover, you know the factor. So you must have recalled that when you have a quadratic expression of factor of biquadratic, the factors of quadratic would also be a factors of biquadratic. So वो fact आपको पता रहनी थी. यहाँ पे ये जो x square minus 1 जो factor कहलाएगा, इसका actual factorization है x minus 1 into x plus 1. Means ये जो biquadratic equation दिया है इसके लिए x minus 1 भी factor कहलाएगा, x plus 1 भी कहलाएगा. If we use x plus 1 as a factor and synthetic division, shortcut trick, right, for this biquadratic polynomial you would have easily got one of the option among this ABCD. Like how? See, if I start with -1 division for the coefficients, so given for biquadratic A, B, C, D and E, right, this division follows as keeping A as it is, then -1 into A minus A, then this is minus A plus B, multiply by -1 you get A minus B, which would result A minus B plus C, then again multiply by -1 which would give -1 into A minus A plus B minus C, जो कि D के साथ ऐड होगा, and then you get the result there minus A plus B minus C plus D. Now when you multiply this expression with -1 and add with this E, you get the remainder 0. So you must get minus A into minus plus A plus this B into -1, then plus C into, because this minus C into -1 gonna result to plus C, then minus D plus E equals to 0. Why remainder is 0? Because it was given that x square minus 1 is equals to factorization of the biquadratic polynomial. So ये factor है already, तो remainder जो होना चाहिए division का वो 0 होना चाहिए. So you just needed to do this synthetic division and get the remainder expression there. जो remainder expression मिल रहा है ये यहाँ पे आपको इसको equate करना था 0 पे, which will give you a required relation that A plus C plus E is equals to B plus D. As you could see, this A minus B right side में plus होगा, minus D right side में plus होगा. So hence इसका जो option था, option D. Next question देखते हैं, question number 20. In this, they are given the value of the expression x raised to 8 plus 1 upon x raised to 8 equals to 47. राइट, ये एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू आपको पता थी. ये क्वेश्चन था अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन से. Knowing this value of the expression, you needed to calculate value of the another expression x raised to 6 plus 1 upon x raised to 6. अभी एक्चुअली अगर ये एनालाइज करोगे आप, ये एक्सप्रेशन जो है कैसे लिख सकते हैं, इसको आपको लिखना होगा x क्यूब रेज टू 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन x क्यूब रेज टू 2, सो दैट यू कैन यूज देयर फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला जो होता है a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, राइट. तो ये फैक्ट आपको यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करनी थी जिसका वैल्यू आपको गिवन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से मिल जाता. 47 वाज द वैल्यू ऑफ x रेज टू 8 प्लस 1 बाय x रेज टू 8. Now to find the value of the expression x raised to 6 plus 1 upon x raised to 6, you would have written this expression as x square raised to 3 plus 1 upon x square raised to 3. So a cube plus b cube formula, if you apply there, you know that formula is a plus b, that is x square plus 1 upon x square into a, right, that is a square माइनस ए बी एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर जो कि 1 हो जाएगा प्लस 1 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर स्क्वायर that would be equal to 1 upon x raised to 4. So means you have the expression x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 to substitute the value for, which you get it from the given equation x raised to 8 plus 1 upon x raised to 8. How do you get that? See, that you can write as x raised to 4 raised to 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 raised to 2 is equals to, by the concept of formula a square plus b square, you would have got that as x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 whole square, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and a and b reciprocals of each other, so it would get cancelled, so it's minus 2 there, right? तो यहाँ पे इसका वैल्यू आपको था दिया गया 47 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का वैल्यू, सो ये था 47 जिसमें ये -2 ऐड होगा, राइट? सो 47 प्लस 2 which will give you the value of the expression x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 raised to 2 as 49, और 49 का स्क्वायर रूट है 7, मीन्स ये जो एक्सप्रेशन था इसका वैल्यू था 7, ठीक है? ये 7 वैल्यू यूज करके you would have calculated the value of the expression x square plus 1 upon x square जो आपको मिलेगा 3, right? So this 3 then multiplied with value of x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 which is 7 minus 1, you would have got the answer 3 into 6 that is equals to 18, and hence ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर था ऑप्शन सी. तो जैसे हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया वैल्यू ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4, ये वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन से अगर आप सिमिलर इक्वेशन if you write down you will get the value of x square plus 1 upon x square जो कि 3 रहेगा, right? 7 plus 2 9 का स्क्वायर है 3, so hence option C. so जैसे कि आपने देखा हमने और 11 से 20 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स पता किए, उसके सॉल्यूशंस अंडरस्टैंड किए. so please stay tuned to SSB crack exams, use the code warrior10 and happy learning to you.